So this lecture is totally unpredictable because I haven't had time to prepare it for obvious reasons. Because I gave my talk in Oregon, in Germany. And, you know, when you give talks in conferences, you listen to other people and you keep changing your talk because it's a community that report new results. So it's not like I prepare the sausage, I slice it, then serve it. No, it's a dynamic thing. So I didn't prepare because I was working, and that's always true. You're always working on your talk until 1 minute before you give it. Tuning it to your audience. What you'll get today is a glimpse of life of a scientist. And, I don't know why you are in this school and why you're taking nonlinear dynamics, but supposing that you're interested in doing research, you'll get a glimpse on what research is. Life of a prof, the guy who accidentally actually got a job to do this, many people are qualified by a random process. Few of them get employed in this and other ones get employed in many other interesting things where you can use your skills equally well. It looks very cushy because, professor doesn't have to do anything. I mean, all the lectures, grades, nothing. What is that to it? It's not, it's not quite like that. So this professor this week has 3 jobs, of which I'm paid to do 1. I'm in Germany from 1:30 a.m. And if I was physically in Germany, I would still be teaching this class. It's not any difference that I'm not physically in Germany. So I spent whole workday, German workday, listening to my colleagues discussing, and it's totally amazing. And everybody has new results, and it's very hard to understand them. So maybe I'll give you my own talk as a part of today's lecture if I run out of other things to do. Then, so that's job number 1, called research. Job number 2 is teaching. We're doing it right now. Job number 3 is real life. So there are 3 jobs. So that's the life of a scientist. And is it worth doing? I think yes. The reason why it's worth doing is that, at least in the research part, there is no boss, an independent spirit. The freedom is priceless. It's not freedom to kill other people, but it's freedom to sit and think. I mean, that's real freedom. So that is a part of the job I really recommend. Now, all freedoms have limitations because you belong to a community. What you do has to make sense within the community. You have to earn money so that Governor Kemp and the whole educational system can run, because somebody actually has to do some work. For us, this means we have to bring in research money to be able to support students, postdocs, machinery that we need, etc. So that's limitations of freedom. So it's very good, but I kind of recommend it.